Hi, welcome to the Something to Think About series. This is Something to Think About, Episode 1. How money really grows. Let's say you have $100,000 and it loses 50%. Now you only have $50,000 left over. Well, let's say now the money goes up 60%. Your $50,000 turns into $80,000. Well, what's the rate of return? Negative 50 plus 60% equals 10% over that 2-year period, let's say. 10% divided by 2 is 5% per year. You're averaging 5% per year. Congratulations. Or not. $100,000 loses $20,000 and you only have $80,000 left, but you're averaging 5% per year? How can that be? Well, let's look at what 5% is supposed to look like. $100,000 times 1.05, or growing it by 5%, it should turn into $105,000 after the first year. Now that $105,000 grows by another 1.05, we're just compounding at 5%, and your new account value should be $110,250. But every financial advisor, stockbroker, hedge fund manager, etc., all the financial professionals, they're allowed to tell you that their strategies have averaged 5% per year, while their clients lost 20% of their assets. Did you know that? I'll bet your broker never told you that, but it's something to think about.